It's an amazing opportunity to recognise all the fantastic businesses that make the vital services of the laundry and dry cleaning industry work. So for me, it's a really great opportunity to highlight people who are putting in a real effort to provide services to customers and highlight and recognise them.
I think in today's world, bringing everybody together, especially after the pandemic years, there's not been enough of that going on, and for now, it's just so good to see everybody make those connections and get back to doing what we do best.
I think the key thing is there's so many people here. It's grown and grown and grown. I only came last year for the first time, and it's great, and it's just seeing people. It's networking, and last year was really good, and that's why I'm back here again today.
As an independent family business, attending Ladas helps us realise we're part of a wider industry, and although it's a competitive industry at times, there's also really good people behind all of those businesses.
I'm really looking forward to seeing who wins the Green Award. There's so much innovation and progress happening in sustainability, so I'm always a big champion of anyone that's moving the dial on sustainability, so very keen to see who wins the Green Award.
Oh, it's very important. This is the Ladas 10th year, and this event has grown massively over the 10 years, and it's an opportunity to network and meet with friends.
For our company, we're in the newcomer category. It's important for us to get our name out there, get our brand out there, and it's also just fun to celebrate what we've achieved and what others have achieved, and it means a lot.
If you are a finalist, make your way to the stage and join in our group photograph.
I think this is brilliant just for the networking side to start off with, but it also allows Seiko, my company, to publicise where they're going and how they're driven for the future and what we can bring to the market to improve it.
The message I have for the finalists this evening is that be proud of what you represent and the companies that you are in front of.
And the one and only. No, I'm not bothered about Fraser. He's from Scotland, in my opinion, built that walleye. That's what I think. Fraser, you've been a great sport. Have you enjoyed your sen? Can you let your face know then, pal? Give Fraser a cheer as well, everybody.
The Lifetime Contribution Award 2024 at the Ladas is
Selwyn Burkhart.
Selwyn Burkhart.